Hi all, today we gonna see how to draw India flag. First draw a rectangular shape with black color. And then divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts by drawing 2 parallel lines. And then color the first box with an orange color. And the second box with white color. And fill the last box with green color. And finally, draw an Ashika chakra in the middle of the rectangle. Here we go, we have drawn Indian flag. Happy Independence Day to all. Thanks for watching. For more videos subscribe to Kidobrains.